Hi, I'm Roman with Stafford Homes. In this video, we're going to be going over how to dewinterize your exterior water hose, and it's a very simple process. First step you want to do is you want to find the smaller exterior water hose, and it's usually in this position. It's usually in your garage, and then you'll have the one that's located in your garage is going to be for your front water hose. Your other one is going to look exactly the same way, just without these pads. It's usually under one of your sinks. I would check your kitchen sink, or I would check your master. Very simple process to do that. Again, anytime our shutoffs, if it's facing the same way as the line, it is off. We're going to go ahead and flip it off, and it simply has a little arrow right here. You're reading that off, it is off position. Step number 2 that you want to do in dewinterizing your water hose is going to be open the actual water hose. So we already shut off the step 1 inside the garage. Step 2, we want to come out here and open this up. Open it up all the way. Okay. And there's 2 more steps that you want to do. We're going to go back into the garage. Third step you want to do is this little cap right here. It's called a bleeder. Okay. So you want to unscrew it. And you want to make sure that you unscrew it after you've done both steps, and you'll hear it. So what that did is put air into the system to push out all remaining water into the system. After you're done hearing it bubbling up, make sure you put this cap back on. And you want to put it on, very important, hand tighten only. You don't want to use any tools for this. That's it. Last step, you want to go back outside, turn off your water hose. As we can see, there was more water that was pushed out of the system. The last step that you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn it all the way back off. And that will complete your dewinterizing for your water hose. Same process that you will do for the backyard one, just under different location. That is how you dewinterize your outside water hose. I'm Roman. Cut. Kitchen sink, or I would check your master bathroom kitchen sink. Okay, very simple process to do that. Edit that okay now.